Textron Aviation is giving the Cessna Citation CJ3 Plus a makeover with new features that enhance both the passenger and pilot experience. Members of the company's customer advisory board gave feedback that helped it design the improvements.
It's really a tip-to-tail update of the airplane. So starting in the cockpit, we've integrated the Garmin auto throttles along with a new system release on the software, as well as a Garmin data link that allows for some aircraft connectivity. Not to mention, we've added up to 4.5 inches of additional seat travel in the PIC, or the pilot in command seat.
The interior design offers new customizability for customers looking to differentiate their aircraft style, and at the same time, Textron Aviation says it is using more sustainable materials in the cabin.
So what you're seeing here today in our mock-up is a fully custom interior, showing what the possibilities are for our customers. We have standard schemes and we'll maintain standard schemes that make it more simple for our operators to configure the airplane. But what you're going to see today is a completely custom scheme with custom leather and design and contrasted stitching and inlay in the leather seats. Obviously, sustainability is at the forefront of everything we do at Textron Aviation. So whether that's operating on sustainable alternative jet fuel or in the way we actually manufacture our airplanes, we have for many years built our interiors and manufactured our interiors in a sustainable way, whether that's in the way that we process the materials or the way that we harvest the materials. So they're harvested in a responsible and rapidly renewable way. In the wools that go into the carpets, the silk that goes into the upholstery, the woods and the veneers that are harvested in a responsible way, so that we're making sure that we're being just as responsible in the way we make our aircraft as our operators are in the way they operate the aircraft.
But what makes day-to-day use a bit more pleasant for the passenger are some of the new details that may not be obvious at first glance.
We'll of course maintain domestic and international Wi-Fi solutions, but what we've added are ways to stay connected to the ground, so to conduct business. So we brought in wireless charging trays. We put USB-C charging ports at every seat in the aircraft, including the cockpit. So just additional ways for our customers to stay charged and stay connected on the ground.
The single pilot-approved aircraft has seating for up to 9 passengers depending on the configuration.
So what you're seeing in the mock-up today is a 7-passenger configuration, 7-passenger cabin configuration. You could fit an 8-passenger in the co-pilot seat. But this has the lowboy cabinet, or some might call the extended refreshment center. You also have the ability to add a side-facing seat that folds down, so you could use that for an additional passenger or additional baggage should you so choose.
And bringing the aircraft up to modern standards of convenience, the lavatory is now externally serviceable. Customers will also notice new cool view skylights to let light into the lavatory. Priced at just under $11 million, Textron Aviation aims to have the CJ3 Gen2 model in service by 2025.
The CJ3 Gen2, much like the CJ3 Plus, is a time machine. So we're giving our customers back time, whether that be with their family or time to conduct business. So what we see the CJ3 Plus and that we expect with the CJ3 Gen2 is that this is primarily an owner-operator airplane. So up and down the East Coast of the United States in a single day, conducting multiple stops and multiple missions and meetings if that's the case. Also hauling family around. So whether it's Orlando to Minneapolis in a single day, or Las Vegas to Dallas, Texas with your family, or conducting business, those are easily achievable trips for the CJ3 Gen2.
Shoppers for aircraft in this segment might also consider other single-pilot aircraft, like the Embraer Phenom 300E and the Pilatus PC-24, or the 2-pilot Learjet 75.